What's up, guys? So it is February 8th, 2020. We are going to do an unboxing of Barton's discounts. They are located in Indianapolis. This is a Home Depot pallet. The whole pallet was $425 and then basically $30 in tax, so it came out to $455. $455. It's full of heaters, Home Depot things. We had a Shark vacuum, we had a Dyson vacuum. It was a V8 animal. We already sold it, so everything else will be fresh coming off the pallet. Basically, we sold that Dyson, the Dyson. We sold the Dyson V8 animal. It retails for $400. We sold it for $180 already to a friend. And it was used condition, so it wasn't a big deal. But we are going to be unboxing this. We have some in the cab because we didn't want it blown out because it was kind of pretty high. So we're going to unbox everything and kind of give you a detailed walk around of what comes in a pallet like this. This was actually bought from their online store. I saw it in the warehouse and I said I want that pallet, so they went and picked it out, and here it is. We're about 70 miles from Indianapolis and 70 miles from Barton's, so we drive about an hour and a half to get there, and it makes it worth it. So we're gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna pause the video, I'm gonna cut this open, and Michaela and I will be going through it. So okay, so here is everything that we got today at Barton's, minus the Dyson vacuum, the V8 animal that we sold for $180 to a friend in Indianapolis. So it worked out perfect. Like I said, the pallet was $454, I believe. We just took it off the truck onto the deck, and you'll see the time lapse of us unloading the truck. But we're going to go over suggested retail value, or the value in the store, for each item that we have here. So this was a pretty big pallet. I think it was almost like 5 feet tall on a big Gaylord pallet. So not everything in here will work. It is customer returns, so things can be iffy, things can be broken, it could be missing parts, it could be damaged, could not work at all. We just never know until we test everything, and we do test everything before we sell it, for the most part. So with that being said, we will just go over and go down the line. Michaela will have her beautiful self, and she will be doing the calculator, so we will have a value estimated towards the end. So it will be MSRP. So we've looked up everything already. We already have a very good idea of what everything costs. Typically, I like to sell things for about 50% off, and I sell the shit out of some heaters. So it's February. They're going to sell. I usually sell them anywhere between 50% off or 45% off, 40% off. It just depends who it is and what the heater is. But for the most part, I like to sell things cheap, get it out of my basement, and move on, buy another pallet. So here it is. Starting off here, we have the Honeywell Air Purifier, $100. MSRP. Blender was $50. The kerosene DuraHeat is $150. The Keurig was $80. Okay, and then the microwave was $50. Dual overhead radiator is $85. Single overhead radiator is $50. The Vornado heaters, bottom one is $50, top one's $30. The two fan heaters I have here, $15 a piece. The three bigger heaters I have here, they all have red stickers, meaning it's most likely broken or damaged. The red stickers usually mean broken, damaged, not working, but that's okay. I don't really have any luck with these in any format, so they usually come in broken anyway. They're kind of crap, but they're $25 a piece, so $75. We have 5 comfort zone heaters. They sell for $50 a piece, so that would be $250. The 2 heaters right here, same thing, $25 a piece, so $50. You doing okay, Michaela?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We have 3 of the oil heaters. 1, 2, 3. They are $50 a piece, so $150. These ceramic tower heaters surprised the shit out of me. I've never seen these before in a pallet, and I bought several of these Home Depot pallets. These were $50 a piece, so that could be great. They seem really small though. So moving on, we have another Vornado. That's a $50 heater. Has a yellow sticker. Yellow sticker usually means, you know, use caution. Could be broken, could be damaged, could not be. I had pretty good success with yellow stickers. So these Lifesmart heaters, what did we say these were? We looked these up. I think they were $80 on Home Depot, but they're being discontinued. So they appear to be open. So who knows? $50 a piece, $100. We have 3 of the 30 through 60K BTU. So 1, 2, 3. That's 3. Those sell for $100 a piece, so $300. And then we have the Dyna-Glo Pro. It's the 70,000 through 125,000 BTU. You can see that. Those are $112 a piece. So, Michaela, that is our estimated retail value plus $400 for that Dyson we sold. That pallet has an estimated retail value of $2,262. And let me pull out my receipt. Help. I paid $454. So likely I will sell this stuff for 50% off. So I will divide that by 50, correct?
By 2.
By 2. Divide by 2. It's been a while. So that is likely what I will hopefully get. I like to double up my money and then plus a little more. So doubling up would be $900. And that sounds about right. So the Dyna-Glo heaters, I'll sell for a little bit more than 50%. Those sell pretty quickly anyway. And some of this may be missing parts, like some of the Dyna-Glo heaters don't come with the hose that's required, so I have to buy that. Everything else should be pretty much put together. But other than that, like I said, customer returns, you see anything from damaged, broken, stolen, things of that nature. Typically about 20% of everything is damaged or broken. So you take that with a grain of salt and you move on. So again, this is Barton's Discounts in Indianapolis, 2222 Hillside Avenue. And this is a Home Depot return pallet. And it is February. It is snowing in Illinois. So, and we just got a truck. So that's cool. Got my first truck. I've been doing this for about 6 months. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns about Barton's, had a good experience at Barton's, comment down below. Let me know what you think. I know there's a lot of places in Indianapolis that do this. Personally, I like Barton's the most. It's definitely the cleanest. The people there, Kendall, everyone, Joe, really good people. And you just get a lot of value for your money. So, I mean, you're looking at $2,200 worth of retail value stuff for $450. So, if you want to see updated videos like this or more unboxing videos, let me know. But thanks for watching. Okay, so like I said, usually about 20 to 30% of goods returned are usually damaged. And we went through everything. It took about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Michaela blasted it out. But, so this is our damages. So this one, the cord, I imagine it was returned because of the cord. You can see it's messed up. I tried to bend it back, but it's not going. So just garbage. $50 on that, $50 on that, 30 and 25. We call it 25 a piece. So we're looking at $150 in damages. Not bad. Overall, it was a great pallet. So I plan on making some good money on it. Over $1,000 on everything. I plan on making profit, or not profit, I guess. I plan on doubling my money, which would be $900 plus some. I plan on being around $1,200 or so. Hopefully, but if everything goes well. This one was shattered from shipping, but you can always use things as parts. So I used the legs from this one as parts because I had one missing legs. So other than that, it was a really good pallet, and I will certainly be back for more. But like I said, Barton's Discounts in Indianapolis, This was not a sponsored video by any means. I went and purchased this out of my own pocket. Just like everyone else. I know there are some sponsored Barton's videos out there, but this is not one of them. So thanks for watching.